Hi, I'm Walkster 1970, and today I'm going to be installing this Orland Ness Big Sucker Air Cleaner Kit on the 2006 Harley-Davidson Ultra Classic. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to be doing is taking this cover off as a Phillips screwdriver, a Phillips screw. This whole assembly will come off. And I got to remove these 3 screws. That is a T25. I think it might actually be a T30. Probably a T30, but T25 will work. Pull that off. Now I got to take these 3 bolts out. They're a 1/2 inch. Next thing I'm going to do is, I think these come out. Yes. There's your breather tubes. And that one does not want to come out. There we go. Then it looks like they are a 7/16. And once they are out, the entire assembly should come off. And we have 2 O-rings back there. So we gotta take them off also. And it looks like the gasket stayed on there, so that's good. I'm gonna get a little bit of brake clean and clean all this off. I'll be right back. Put a thin coat of grease on the face of the throttle body. Like this. Four O-rings are included to seal the backing plate inset. To keep them in place during installation, apply a small amount of grease in the O-ring grooves. Okay, I got grease in the groove and I put the O-rings in there. I'm going to do the same thing with the front. Okay, that's done. Looks like it's got to go like that. So it looks like I have to put it up on there. Okay, let me get something to tighten them with. It looks like I'm gonna tighten these up. I don't think I need to put these on tight yet. Just need to snug them up. Yep. Now if we get the washer on right there. Okay. It should be right. Okay, it doesn't need to be tight yet. Make sure that's lined up. It looks lined up. So this goes in here. Backing plate standoffs. And then tighten 3 to 5 foot-pounds. Okay, this is like an 1/8 Allen. That's 5 foot-pounds. That's 5 foot-pounds. That's 5 foot-pounds. Loctite. Tighten banjo bolts to 5 foot-pounds. Okay, these are 5/32. Okay, I'm torquing these down to 5 foot-pounds. They're straight. There we go. That'll do it. That'll do it for installing the Arlen Ness Big Sucker Airflow kit on the 06 Harley-Davidson Ultra Classic. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.